Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are just me sitting down and playing around with some new makeup, some new products that I have. I don't have like a full face of stuff to do, so we're just incorporating some new things, but for the most part, it's a lot of new products. Mostly gonna be focusing on this new palette, which is the new Ace Beauty Oceanic palette. This literally just came in the mail this morning. I've been waiting for this literally since I ordered it, and I was like, the day that it comes in, I'm gonna sit down immediately and start filming. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. But might as well just incorporate some other new makeup into this video as well. Let me show you guys the palette. So this is, oh my god, I haven't even opened it yet. Like, this is the first time I'm opening it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is literally so pretty, you guys. Holy shit. I'm speechless. You guys know that Ace Beauty has literally some of my favorite palettes. I'm so freaking excited to have a new palette from them. Like, do you guys see this algae color? It is so... I'm using it. It retails for $38 or something like that. I'll link it down below. I did use a code. I think I used my friend Dupe That's code, so you can use that one as well. I'm gonna be using like a new foundation or primer or anything today. I might not even use new lip products because my skin or something is like really going through it. I don't know like what's going on, but I'm like breaking out down here. I don't know if you can really see it on camera because I can't even really see it in person, but like I can feel it. It's one of those like breakouts that's like underneath that you can feel. I'm kind of breaking out over here, and my lips are like getting so irritated with everything lately. This morning they're like kind of getting a little swollen and irritated, so I don't know. Anyways, that's besides the point. Let's just jump into it. I'm drinking my coffee right now. Isn't this mug so cute? My friend got this for me for my birthday. Now that my eyes are primed and set, I really want to go in with that algae shade. I really want that shade. I just want to use it everywhere. Let's just start off with this shade. Pack that on. Wow, this color is so pretty, and I haven't even like blended it out or anything yet. I'm just packing on. You guys know how I do my eyeshadow at this point. I feel like I just pack on the shadow and then blend it out. Kind of just putting this shade like literally everywhere. Now that I have that shade down, I'm gonna take the shade called Seagrass. It's like a grassy green. I'm hoping this won't take away from how bright and like neon this color is. This color is so pretty. Like, I just want to wear this all over the lid, like by itself. Into the crease, a little bit lower than that other shade. Blending. I'm back with this brush with Algae, which is that bright green shade. Not to go too high with this shade because I don't want to lose that Algae shade, but I'm also trying to like blend together. Oh, I like the way that this is looking so far, so I think I'm gonna go in to this shade called Pacific. It's like this really dark blue with a hint of like green in it almost. I also wanted to show you guys, do you guys see this shade Seaweed? It's like that perfect olive shade. It's so pretty. Go into that Pacific shade like I said. Lean it into the lower part of my crease. Now that I have that shade down, I'm going in with Turtle, which is like a nice deep green shade. I'm going back with Seagrass to blend all that out. I just want to keep going back and forth with all the shades that you're using. Take the shade Lagoon, which is this dark navy blue. Is that navy blue? I don't know my colors. And I'm gonna add that to the crease as well. Okay, so I went ahead and just finished blending and stuff. I went ahead and cleaned up the edges right now with a makeup wipe because I was feeling like it was looking a little messy and I wanted to see the shape because I was like, okay, am I going a little crazy right now with all the colors? But so far it looks really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I'm using the ColourPop concealer for this, Makeup Shack T51 brush, and I'm just gonna go and cut my crease. I'm gonna blend that with my finger. You guys already know NYX Pigment Primer on top of that because this is a lifesaver. And when I do this, I know that my shadows won't transfer. For my lid, I really want to go in with this shade called Mykonos. It's just like this really bright teal shade. It is so pretty. Take that on a little packing brush. This is from the Alamad Cosmetics brush trio. And we are just going to, our shimmers just get me every time. This isn't even like wet. This is just straight from the palette. Take that on the, pretty much like the, almost the whole lid, but I'm leaving like this part blank because I kind of want to go in with Marina. Ooh, that is beautiful. Okay, I kind of want to go in with that, or even maybe, let's see what Bay. Ooh, that is so pretty. Okay, I think I want to go in with this one. Or is that too dark? Okay, I might go with that one. What does this look like? This is Bora Bora. Ooh, that is so pretty. I should have gone in with that shade first. Oh well. And then we have Jellyfish, which is like a olive. That's pretty. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with Bay. And I'm putting that on the other half of my lid. That outer corner into Bay. This looks so pretty. That Mykonos shade is honestly like magical. I'm obsessed with it. Taking like a really small pencil brush with a little bit of Lagoon. I'm taking some on the brush and then tapping it on my hand so I don't have too much product. I'm going to kind of redefine the cut crease because I didn't really bring that shadow high enough. So go ahead and do this eye really quick off camera and then I'll be right back. I just did the other eye and I cleaned it up with some makeup remover because I had a lot of fallout underneath here, but I love the way it looks. I stepped into my bathroom and in that lighting, like, it just looked so pretty and vibrant. I don't have any new face products or anything, so I might just kind of like skim over this, but for primer I'm using the Laura Mercier hydrating primer. I love this. My skin has been so dry lately. For foundation, I'm going into the Lancome Tawny Dual foundation. I'm in the shade 250 Warm Bisque or Bisque Warm. I never know what order it's in, but that one. I don't believe I have a new concealer, so I'm just going in with the Milani one. I'm almost out. I think I have a backup though, so thank God, because this is like the only concealer I've been using really since I filmed that video trying it out. So it's been like 5 months and I'm still going strong with it. So taking my Fenty concealer brush with whatever was left on my hand from like my foundation and kind of blending this eyeshadow out because I feel like it was a little far in, like too close to my nose. So I'm just taking that to blend that out. I don't know if that's like a tip or trick or anything, but just in case that ever happens to you, you can do that. I'm just gonna set my under eyes really quick with my Laura Mercier powder. I have the new Huda Beauty Tantour, not powders, creams. Fair and light here with me. Going with the light one. I have a brush that I like to use for cream contour, which is the Makeup Shack T29 brush. It just looks like this. This is the one I use with my Milk bronzer and then also my Fenty stick too. So a little bit and then blending as I go. This is supposed to be cream to powder. I normally hate cream bronzers. The only one I really truly do like is the Milk one. Even the Fenty one is questionable sometimes. Like I really have to like be in the mood to use it. It's not bad. It's just my personal preference of like I just don't like using cream products. And take my sponge and blend that out. I'm taking a little bit at a time because I feel like cream contour can go south real fast. I like to stipple it on. I feel like this color is nice. And then just blending out those edges with my damp sponge and kind of whatever is left on my sponge from foundation. So you can tell like this side definitely looks more sculpted now. I feel like they're super buildable. Like I think they blend out really nicely. Just stippling on and then kind of blending upwards. What? For someone that hates cream contour, I'm not mad at it. It didn't lift the foundation on off underneath or anything. It is pretty buildable. It's still pretty subtle. It's not too harsh or anything. I'm not mad at it. I actually kind of like it. Move on to blush and highlight, which I have the new ColourPop blush and light sticks. I don't know which colors I want to use yet. I'm using the Poppy set, I think. I think this will go with my look. Aloha? No, that's Under Pressure. What does Aloha look like? Aloha is cute. Let's see. Let's see what she looks like blended out. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Okay. You can apply these directly to your face. I'm going to just take a Duo Fiber brush. This is the ColourPop one. This is the F9. And I'm just going to take some, just go like this. And apply. Cute, cute. I like that shade. I used one the other day, but I only used it on top of my CC cream, so I haven't used it on top of foundation yet. But so far it's going on nicely. It's not lifting the foundation underneath or anything. It's definitely give you like a very glowy look. They're not like sticky or anything. Like they're not too greasy. They just kind of give you that sheen. I go in with the highlight in the Poppy set. This is Bullseye. This one is like a really pretty gold. You know what? I might use another one. Hold on. I think I'm gonna go in with the one from the Peony set. You can buy these all individually, but this one is Earth. I think this one might look a little bit better with this look. I'm gonna use the ColourPop. I don't know what number this one is, but I believe it's the small fluff brush. And just doing the same thing, like kind of just grazing the stick and then applying it. I don't think I like this shade for this look. I'll add a little bit just to the sides just so it's even. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with Bullseye. I'm actually gonna apply it with my finger. Oh yeah, Bullseye. She's that bitch. I'm gonna go ahead and do my nose contour really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm just baking my face right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the lower lash line. I'm gonna go in, I actually got this last night in the mail. These are the new Revlon eyeliners and mascara. I have like really pretty colored eyeliners. There's a red one in here, you guys. You guys know how I feel about red eyeliner. Oh my god. You guys know how I feel about this color eyeliner. So these retail for $8.99. It says they're already available. Lighting gel formula provides a shiny vinyl finish, completely waterproof and smudge proof for up to 16 hours. Lay that on the back of our hand to see if it is smudge proof or whatever, but there is this really pretty blue one which I feel like will go really nice with this look. This one is in the shade Royal Rule. So let's put this in the waterline. I mean, you could definitely see the blue. It's definitely there and it's definitely really pigmented and it glided on really nice, felt super comfortable on the eyes. Let's move on to the lower lash line. I'm going to take a little smudger brush, shade Blue Clam. It's like a nice, pretty, bright blue and it matches that eyeliner. So let's just put that right at the lash line. I'm going to take a little fluffy pencil brush and I'm going to blend that out with Algae, just because I loved that shade so much that I want to use it again. I'm going to try this mascara. This is the new Revlon So Fierce mascara. It came in this package too. Let's just see. It's a nice spiky wand. I'm not too fond of mascaras like that, but let's just try it out. What does this say that it does? That it extends, lifts, and volumizes your lashes. Clump-free, smudge-proof, and flake-free. We will see because everything flakes on me. Brush is definitely like separating my lashes, so that's nice. It is lengthening. Not too much volumizing, I would say, but definitely lengthening. I don't really like that for the lower lashes, but for the top, it was nice. Like, it's cute. It definitely separated and lengthened. Go in with lashes. I have some new ones actually. These are from Zoe Sweet. They're actually sold at Target. They sent this to me, but they're like Violet Voss's like little sister brand. So I think I kind of want to go in with either No Filter or YOLO. I think YOLO might be best for this look. Oh, I didn't even notice the inside is like glittery. That's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna apply YOLO. If I change my mind, I'll let you guys know afterwards, but I'm just gonna apply these off camera really quick. Those lashes, they weren't bad, but the band is a little bit thicker and I couldn't get the like inner part of my lash to stick down, and I kept messing with it and it was like making my eyes water, and I was like, I do not want to ruin this makeup, so I just put on my normal lashes that I always wear. These are the Rouge and Rogue Norella lashes, so but yeah, they're not bad. They're just like, I didn't want to mess with it right now. Since my lips are still a little irritated, I think I'm just going to go in with gloss and call it a day. I wanted to show you guys this eyeliner is still on here and I'm like scrubbing and it's like really, I don't think anything at all really came off. It did lose a little bit of that shine, but I mean, who's going to be doing this like really to your eyes? Like, and there's not really anything on my hand, so I'm very impressed with that eyeliner, and it still looks really pretty and vibrant on my waterline so far, so very impressed with that. Really glad I used that eyeliner. Inner corner, I went in with the ColourPop Blue Moon palette and I used the shade Lumi, and I just put that there and a little bit onto the actual lower lash line, like just right here, to brighten that up. Taking a little bit of lip liner just to add some color. ColourPop Curvy lip liner. I go in with the Fenty gloss on top. This is Diamond Milk. Dusting away that powder. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I love it. Oh my god, this eyeshadow looks so good. I already knew that I was gonna like this palette. Like, I love all their other ones, so I didn't see like why I wouldn't like this one. But even just with a really simple lip, isn't this like look so just like, I don't know, it's just so pretty. These are definitely very bright and bold, but you guys know me. I'm a very bright and bold person. I love bright and bold looks, so this is definitely right up my alley. I think the colors, especially the lid, just look so pretty and vibrant. That algae shade is still like peeking through. It just looks so pretty and I really, really like it, and I definitely recommend if you like these colors that you should pick this palette up. It is just so beautiful. I liked the contour especially too. I was really surprised. I was not expecting to like it. I did not think I was gonna like it at all. These even came out a little bit ago, and even then I was like, oh, I'll put them aside, I'll use them eventually, but I thought I would use them in this video, and I think it looks really nice. It's not too harsh, but I definitely think it sculpted my face. You guys saw earlier, like when I only had one side, it definitely looked a lot more sculpted. I really like the blush and light sticks from ColourPop. I think they're really pretty. I'm really impressed with that Revlon eyeliner. It was super pretty, and I think even like scrubbing my hand, like that red one was still on there. I'm really excited for that red. I really like everything that I used today. Obviously the palette is my favorite and I'm super excited to use it in more looks. Anyways, leave me a comment down below if you're gonna pick up any of these products, or if you already have picked up some of these. Do you like them? Do you not like them? I don't know. Just leave me a comment down below and we'll talk in the comments. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video.